truly historic day. We've been waiting for it for almost 5 months, and they finally made it. Shiba Inu is now gathering strength for another price rally. You remember the one in March, where it tripled in price in a couple of days? Well, a very, very similar pattern can now be seen. This is an urgent video, so no time to waste. Let's get straight to the point. Disclaimer. Finally, the Ethereum ETF was approved. This has been something we've been eagerly anticipating for a long time. Looking back to 2023, we witnessed historic movements towards crypto ETFs, starting with Bitcoin. When firms like BlackRock submitted their request to the SEC for the first ever Bitcoin ETF, we were bombarded with news and updates about the process. It was easy to stay informed and engaged because there was a steady stream of information. After the Bitcoin ETF was approved in January, these same firms quickly submitted requests for the approval of an Ethereum ETF. However, the situation took a different turn. From January until now, almost half a year later, there was complete silence. No news, no updates, nothing. This lack of information led many to believe that the Ethereum ETF was a no-go and wouldn't be approved. There were several reasons why people thought this. The prolonged silence created uncertainty and speculation. The SEC's cautious approach to crypto regulations added to the doubts. Some believed that the complexities and unique challenges of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. The SEC approved the Ethereum ETF, and now the entire crypto community is celebrating this monumental decision. And of course, the situation on the charts is red. Ethereum has dumped, dragging other cryptocurrencies down with it. Given our experience with Bitcoin, we understand that Shiba Inu is particularly sensitive to the situation. However, the situation is not representative to any ETF movements. So while Ethereum experienced a slight drop, Shiba Inu took a bigger hit. I mentioned in my past videos that this would happen. We're seeing the same pattern we saw after the US and Hong Kong approved Bitcoin ETFs. A strong pump on the upcoming approval news, a dump when approved, followed by a slow rise in price later. The fact that the same would happen with Ethereum was highly likely. We see an initial market crash, followed by a slow recovery and eventual rise. For example, when the US Bitcoin ETF was first approved, it caused a price crash. But later, it led to monumental gains, reaching new all-time highs. However, this took time. It wasn't a quick turnaround. What we are witnessing now with Ethereum might be a sell the news event. This means that investors, anticipating the approval, bought Ethereum in advance and are now selling off to take profits, leading to the current drop in price. But later, we will likely see recovery and an eventual rise in price, probably reaching new all-time highs, just like Bitcoin did. And here's something interesting. Following the SEC's approval of multiple spot-based Ethereum exchange-traded funds, crypto enthusiasts are buzzing about which crypto asset might be next in line for a similar product. This happens because the approval of an ETF often brings legitimacy and increased investment to a cryptocurrency, leading to significant price movements. Think of it like this. When a new technology agent is released and becomes a big hit, people immediately start speculating about what the company will come out with next. They get excited, talk about the possibilities, and make predictions based on patterns they've seen before. Similarly, in the crypto world, when a major coin like Ethereum gets an ETF, investors and enthusiasts start looking at other promising coins, wondering which one might be next to get a boost from a similar approval. It's all about anticipating the next big opportunity and positioning themselves to benefit from it. Interestingly, the company's approval of the next big opportunity is a Kusama, the pseudonymous lead developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, has joined the debate. Kusama questioned whether the SEC's approval of multiple Ethereum ETFs could open the door for a Shiba Inu ETF as well. The idea is that if Ethereum can get a spot-based ETF approved, why not Shiba Inu? This prompts the question of whether Shiba Inu could also secure similar approval from the SEC if an issuer decides to file for it. While Kusama didn't provide a clear answer, he did encourage his followers to share their thoughts on the matter. This shows that even within the Shiba Inu community, there's a lot of curiosity and speculation about the future possibilities of their favorite cryptocurrency. And here's something you need to understand. It's worth noting that despite the SEC's history of labeling many crypto assets as securities, Shiba Inu hasn't been branded as such in its multiple cases against crypto firms. This is significant, especially when considering the probability of a Shiba Inu ETF. Moreover, despite the Shiba Inu community's efforts, no asset manager has shown interest in filing for a Shiba Inu ETF yet. This includes Grayscale, which the community petitioned in February to launch a Shiba Inu ETF. Despite gathering thousands of signatures, the petition hasn't caught Grayscale's attention. Nonetheless, the Shiba Inu community continues to promote the petition in hopes of gaining more signatures and ultimately attracting the attention of asset managers. In the meantime, Kusama shared that he'll be focusing on upcoming Shiba Inu projects and that he's looking forward to the future. The Shiba Inu project is a positive development because it indicates that there are exciting things in the pipeline for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. While Kusama didn't provide specific details about these projects, his focus suggests that there are new developments and innovations on the horizon that could potentially benefit the Shiba Inu community. Additionally, Kusama took the time to congratulate the Ethereum community on the approval of the spot-based ETF products. This gesture highlights a sense of camaraderie and mutual respect within the crypto space, showing that developers and communities can acknowledge and celebrate each other's achievements, even if they're working on different projects. Additionally, the official Shiba Inu ecosystem handle also extended congratulations to the Ethereum community for the ETF approval. They described it as a significant win for the entire crypto industry, emphasizing its importance to Shiba Inu community members. The handle highlighted how this approval could open doors to greater financial inclusion for Shiba Inu investors, making it easier for them to access the crypto market through Ethereum ETFs. It's reminiscent of what happened after the approval of the Bitcoin ETF in the United States, where we witnessed massive inflows of money into the crypto market. Initially, funds poured into the Bitcoin ETF with hundreds of millions of dollars flowing in daily. However, it also attracted more people to the broader crypto market. This surge in interest was one of the reasons Shiba Inu experienced a significant price increase back in the beginning of March. So, the question arises, could we expect a similar effect from the Ethereum ETF approval? But this is not all. Furthermore, the Shiba Inu handle emphasized the collective impact of both the Shiba Inu and Ethereum communities, recognizing them as active participants in driving positive change within the crypto space. It's pretty cool to see how communities can come together, each with their unique projects and goals, yet still collaborate and support one another towards common objectives. This kind of unity and collaboration can lead to even greater growth. Meanwhile, The Shiba Inu ecosystem team is gearing up for the upcoming 2024 Blockchain Futuristic Conference in Toronto, where they've secured a prominent role as a title sponsor. It's worth noting that Shiba Inu will have its own dedicated booth at the conference, where they'll be showcasing their ecosystem projects. The goal here is likely to attract more attention and interest towards Shibarium and the broader Shiba Inu ecosystem. This is definitely exciting news, and it reflects the team's proactive approach to promoting Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is a very popular platform for Shiba Inu users, promoting their projects and engaging with the community. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.